Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to just unbox my December BoxyCharm and my December Ipsy. December just flew by for me and I didn't have a chance to film it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what I got for the month of December, and hopefully you guys are still interested in it. I guess we'll see if anybody watches this video. So we're gonna go ahead and start with my Ipsy. So the first two things I got in my bag were these Pearlese face masks, coconut and rice, and green tea and ginger. So these are really cool. I always forget to use face masks. Does anybody else forget to use them? I have them in a box in my makeup room and I always forget to use them. I need to pull them up somewhere, put them in the bathroom where I have like my face stuff, and start to use them. But those are really cool. I'm gonna try them out and see how I like them. I forgot to say that the December Ipsy bag was called the Snow Globe. So if anybody was interested in that, they really don't give you that much information on there, so it doesn't really matter. Here's what the box or the bag looks like. It's really cute. It has like glitter up top here, and it's like a silver blue type of bag, and it says Ipsy on the little tag up here. Let's get into the bag and see what we got. I haven't even really looked in here at all, so I'm kind of interested to see what we got as well. Okay, so the first thing in the bag is a eyeshadow, I believe. It is All Eyes on Me, and it is from City Colors, and it's a shadow. I think the color is All Eyes on Me. This looks like a purple-ish color. There we go. So I have another, I think I have another eyeshadow from City Colors from Ipsy. They're not bad. They're actually really nice glimmer type of shadows. They remind me a lot of the ones from Morphe, so I think the formula is pretty similar. These ones are cruelty free, so this is really nice. Let me go ahead and swatch that so we can see what it looks like. It's really pretty, actually. Yeah, it's like a purple color. They give you a lot of purples in the Ipsy bags. So I'll definitely try that out and see how that works. Alright, the third thing we got in the bag is a lip color from Ofra. This is pretty. It says Ipsy Unzipped. And let's see if we can see what the color is. It does give you a code. It says Ipsy 30 on Ofra's website if you want to get a discount. It doesn't have a color in here. That's weird. Alright, so let's see. Oh, that's a really pretty like mauve-y color. So I like Ofra's lipsticks. They last really long on the lips. I don't have a problem with them drying out my lips. Their formula is really nice, so I don't mind getting an Ofra lipstick. I have a few of them in my collection and I use them on occasion. I like them a lot. Alright, the fourth thing I got here is NYX Faux Black in the color Burnt Sienna. This is awesome. I already own this. I have, this is actually one of my favorite eyeliners from NYX in the faux line. So this is an awesome color. I'm happy to have a backup because the one that I have is vastly fading away since I use it so much. So this is awesome to get. I like this eyeliner and I've talked about it many times on my channel. So I'm happy to get that. And then the last thing I got in the bag is a lipstick from Lottie London. I'm sorry, is a nail polish from Lottie London. Oh, and it's blue. Oh, that's really pretty. So I'll definitely be trying that out. It has like a shift of purple in it. And what is the color? Does it have a color on it? I don't see a color name on there, but that's really pretty. I'll definitely be using that. So that was everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. Let's go ahead and move on over to what I got in my BoxyCharm this month, or for December. All right, the first thing we got is a brush from Crown, and this brush is $12 if you bought it in the retail stores. I like that it has like a little divot in it. That's kind of nice. Let's see what kind of brush this is. Deluxe Blush Brush. So this is not a brush that I would use for blush. I like these really fat, fluffy brushes for blush, but this would actually really be nice for contouring. This would be a contour brush for me, so I'll definitely give that a try. That would be $12 if you bought it in the retail stores. So that is what I'm excited to give a try. The next thing I have is from Tarte, and it is the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. $23 if you bought this in the retail store. This is a jet black vegan mascara that has mottled brush that grabs and coats even and thickens lashes for 270% more volume. Okay, I do have a lot of mascaras open right now, so I'm not going to open this one up, but I'll definitely give it a try at some point. The next thing we have here is from Bella Paris, and this is a color correcting contour palette. This retails for $29.99. And let's see here. I'm gonna just swatch them here. So they're just different colors. You get the peachy orange color, the green, and the purple. So those are interesting. I don't normally wear color correcting stuff, but I'll definitely give that a try. I know that it does help when you have like overpigmentation on your skin, or if you have like dark circles and stuff like that. So I'm actually kind of excited to give this a try and see how this works out. Let me know if you want to know anything about this after I give it a try and see what it does for my skin, if it actually color corrects anything or if it's just kind of So the next thing we have here is from Real Her. Be Fearless, Be Limited. $32. Treat your cheeks to a intense natural glow of 3 shimmer tones. So it's a shimmer blush set. Let's see here. Alright, so here's what they look like. They are definitely shimmer. I'm not a huge shimmer blush person, but let's go ahead and swatch them and see what they look like. Put them here. Oh, these definitely have a lot of glitter in them. So these are probably going to be ones that I don't reach for very much. I'm not a big glimmer shimmer type of person. Every once in a while when I don't want to put a highlight on, I'll definitely reach for them. These do feel a little chalky, so I'm kind of interested to see how they're going to go on the face. They do give you a really nice variety of colors, so I'm not going to complain about that. This is one that I'm going to try out and see what I think about it, but I'm not expecting a lot from this palette, so we'll see how this works out. Alright, and the last thing I got here is a lipstick from Pretty Vulgar. This is $24. It's a lips. My lips are sealed, a lightweight liquid lipstick. A highly pigmented liquid lipstick that provides the radiant metallic finish. Nice, comfortable, creamy texture. So, I have tried Pretty Vulgar. I've tried their eyeshadows. I've tried their, I think I tried their blush, the lipstick before, and something else. I can't remember. I haven't tried any of these kind. I actually tried one of their stick lipsticks, regular, you know, lipsticks, and that was really nice. I don't normally wear a lot of metallic anything, so that's very interesting. Doesn't smell bad at all. It's really thick. It's a thick lipstick. There's the color there. It's a pretty color. I don't think it would be bad. That doesn't look bad. So I'm sure I'll get some use out of it. So far it looks really pretty on the lips. I like that metallic look over the other lipstick that I already had on. So let me go ahead and add this up real quick and tell you what this costed this month. So my box this month was $120.99, which is a really good deal. The thing about BoxyCharm is you pay $21 a month and they send you 5 full-size products to try out through the month. Ipsy will send you 5 products to try out for the month for $10 a month. So it just depends on your budget and what you're really wanting to get as far as makeup products. As you can see, both of the boxes had really nice items, really nice makeup and skincare products to try out for the month. So if you're interested in either one, I'll definitely leave a link down below. I think they may be affiliated somehow. I may get like points or something if you purchased off of those links, but you can always just go to their website and purchase on your own and not have to worry about giving me any type of points. Doesn't matter to me either way. So those are my boxes for December. I'm sorry they're so late. I figured I'd put them both together, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I shall talk to you guys on Sunday, and I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.